What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're making a Blastoise statue. And we're going to start with this model I got off of Etsy. This has all of the starter Pokemon, but in Cryopods. I already did Venusaur, now it's time for Blastoise. And we're going to see how long it takes to make it. So it's going to take about 3 hours and 31 minutes to print Blastoise. Then took about 4 hours and 50 minutes to print the first part of the base. And then another 4 hours and 14 minutes to print the other half. So we'll get started on that. Here we go. Now we're going to use a pair of pliers to take off the supports. Be careful to only take off the supports and nothing else, because the fingers, eyes, ears, anything can easily break given enough pressure, so just take your time, twist them off, and pull them off. Now we're going to add some base color. I'm using a primer black to cover the entire body. And we're going to add colors later.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all.
So I did make a mistake using black. The color turned out a lot darker, so I'm just going to cover the entire thing with a primer white. I was not accounting for all the different colors that Blastoise is. If you ever want to make the colors pop, make sure to use a primer white, not black.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe?
Now I'm going to use a brush to get all the little details like his eyes, nose, fingers, and cannons. And also use a little bit of black to outline the edges of his shell and little details on his arms and everything else. Just make sure you try to make it as fine as possible to give a lot more detail to your project.
Keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite, they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste, and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Now, since this Blastoise is from the Mewtwo Strikes Back in the Cryopod, he does have markings because he is a clone Pokemon, so I'm just doing my own designs on here, what I think it should look like. He has some on his shell, head, arms, and legs. And I'm going to use some Rub and Buff wax paint you can get at the craft store. I just put a little bit on the brush and brush it on all of the flat areas on the base, and it kind of gives it this metallic look, especially when you get on the edges to give it that worn look. The less you put on it, the more worn it looks, so keep that in mind. Now for the final step, we're going to super glue these pieces together and then Blastoise after, and it'll be done. And there you have it, a completed Blastoise. Now, I think this looks insane. I know you can't see it very well. I don't have any lighting right now, so don't know if you can see it. I did put his designs on there, And I tried to outline it in black, and it just made it look like tattoos. But I mean, I still think it looks good. You still see some of the designs on the back of the shell. So I think it turned out great. I love it. Now I got two. I got Venusaur and Blastoise. Now, the last one is Charizard. But the only problem I have right now is my 3D printer is not currently working. I've had some issues with it. I've had to take it apart. It's saying that something is stuck in it. So as of right now, I can't 3D print anything, but it doesn't mean I'm going to stop. So to replace the 3D printing videos, I will start making model videos. And what I'm talking about is making 3D models in Blender. I've been working with it a little bit here and there, and I'm hoping that one day it will turn into something great. Hopefully, I can make stuff like this. But I'm learning as I go, and I might post some videos. That way, you guys see the process of how things get done. I might throw some videos out there of tutorials on it as well. But I'm not giving up on 3D printing. I'm just giving it a rest right now. That way, I can figure out what's going on with it. And of course, eventually, I'm going to do this room too. We're going to decorate the side of the walls, everything, make this look like a spaceship. I know I've been saying that, and it's not happened yet, but I promise it's coming. Other than that, I hope you guys continue watching my videos. I truly love and appreciate everyone who follows me, and I'm sorry I'm not very consistent. I'm working and also trying to do videos on the side, so please be patient with me. So please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.